Guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about the same problem that we discussed in last classes. Okay. Today the number that we got it is a bit different. Okay, but the process will be same. Here we have to express this decimal expansions in the form of p by q. Okay, so that's the question has asked us. So in order to do that, firstly we have to apply the same process that we applied in last classes. Now, for our better understanding, for more clarifications, let us solve this problem. Okay. Solution. Let x equal to how much? 1.272727. Okay. X equal to how much? 1 point. You see there. Here it is 2 digit. After point 2 digit is repeating again and again. So what can we write here? We can write instead of writing in lengthy mode, we can put number. That means it represents the whole process. Okay, so x equal to how much? 1.27 bar. So under bar, how many number is there or how many digit is there? It is 2. Okay, 2 digit is there. So if it is 2 digit, then you have to multiply with this number as well as this number with 100. Okay, so x into 100 equal to 1.27. So actually bar means you have to express in the form of this. Okay, so the one that will be expressed in the form of this, we just express by in short term. Okay, so this is the reason of why you use bar. Okay, here if it is bar, that means it is equal with this. Okay, so that means 272727. So you have to, it will be point like this. It will be point like this. Okay, that means it goes on like this. Here it will be 100. So x time 100 will give 100 time x will give you 100x. 1.2727 dot into 100 will give you 127 point how much? 2727. Okay, 100 x equal to, just make this point or just break this point in the form of additions. Okay, so just in simply you just made the number which is after this point, you just made this number in the form of the values of x. Okay, so that's it. 126 plus how much? 1.2727. Okay, see if you plus this, then the same will then you will get the same. Okay, so 100x equal to 126. So how can you write this? 2727. So you can write it 27 bar. Okay, so 100x equal to how much? 126 plus 1.27. 1.27 bar is equal with x. Okay, because because of that we have to take x here. So we have to find the values of x. In order to do that, you have to move this x on the other side. That means it will become negative of x equal to 126. So 100 times x minus x will give you how much? It will be 99x. Okay, equal to 126. X equal to 126 divided by 99. Okay, so you got this. So how to reduce the fractions? You have to check it whether it is reducible or not. Okay, so 99. 11 into 9 is how much? 99. Okay, so you have to check even in the upper side. Okay, 14 into 9, so 9 for 36. 3 in hand. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 3 will give you 12. That means 126. So you can reduce the fractions. So if you can reduce the fractions, you have to reduce it, okay? So how many? 9 times elevator will give you 99, and 9 times 40 will give you 126, okay? So x equal to how much? 14 by 11. So what is this? What is this? This is in the form of p by q, okay? Let us assume that p value as 14, okay, and q value as 11. So the question which we got is to express this number in the form of p by q. Now we express x value in the form of p by q, okay? So that's the answer for this. But for better understanding, let us prove this, okay? If you divide this number by 11, then you will get the same process. That means it is same, but we express it in different form, okay? We express this decimal expansions in the form of p by q. Now let us prove this, whether it is true or not, okay? 11, 14. So if you divide this one, then it will get the same number that we use for finding this number, okay? So if you start from this, you will get this number. If you start from this, you will get this number, okay? Both are equivalent. So let us divide this. So 11 times 1 is 11. So 14 minus 11 will give you 3. Here it will be 0, okay? So 11 times 2 will be 22. So 30 minus 22 will give you 8, okay? So here is 1 point. That means 0, okay? So 11 times 7 will give you how much? 77. Then 80 minus 77 will give you 3, okay? So 11 times, how much will it be? 11 times 2 will give you 22. And 30 minus 22 will give you how much? 8, okay? So here it is point. You have to add a 1 point, okay? 11 times, you have to add a 1 0. So 11 times how much will give you this number, or the number which is closest to this? 11 times 7 will give you 77, okay? So it will goes on unending. Because of this reason, even the decimal expansions will also goes on unending. Actually, by using this, we can get this one, or by using this, we can express this in the form of this in rational form, or in p by q form. So this is the answer that the question has access to do it or to find it, okay? So that's it, the answer. So we have to write it. What is the value of x? The value of x is 1.27 bar. That means 1.27 bar equal to 14 by 11, okay? So that's it. Thank you. If you find easy to understand this, it makes me so happy. And if you find difficulties in understanding, please comment down below. And if I have a time, as soon as if I have a time, and I'll provide to those questions that you have access to the queries, okay? If you find difficulties in understanding. So that's all for today. Thank you. We'll see you in the next classes. That's all for today.